So we teach this me, we, be model. Me is the individual consciousness. That's your physical health, mental health, emotional health, and spiritual health. Then you've got the we, which is the collective model. That's your relationships, but also your environment. And so this is where it kind of falls under the environment. Just like you want to have an army of angels around you, you want to create an environment that doesn't harm you, right? And then eventually, by the way, we don't have this yet, but we're going to have a full environmental support. So essentially we'll have water, we'll have frequency, we'll have EMF, light. So it all be reflected once that piece is live. And something that we're launching new is called personalized health. And that will be advanced supplements. It will be peptides. It will be more of a medical part for that. So we'll have a products from me, we'll have products for we, and then B is the supra consciousness that kind of goes beyond any of us in that, but yet we live in all of those cycles. And then we use the 4-step process, the wake up, clean up, power up, rest up. And so I'll just run you through it real quick on a home. So you wake up, you first test stuff. So you figure out which outlets are harmful. Is there EMF? Is there Wi-Fi signal? Is there smart appliances? So we would first wake up, bring the data up. This could also be your blood work. If it's in your personal body, maybe you are low on vitamin D, maybe you are high on environmental toxins, right? So that's the first data set. The second part is cleanup. So you want to get rid of the things that don't work. For example, with diet, elimination diet is amazing for that. You eliminate whatever is causing a fire, right? In a cleanup phase, you also detox the body if you're heavy on toxins, right? And that's something we have to do anyway all the time. So cleanup is getting rid of. Then power up, you bring the right tools to help you accelerate so you go back into offense. You go back into a driver's seat. So in the power up, that's when you supplement vitamin D. You bring new relationships. You bring Waveguard into your house. You bring supplements into your journey. So this is when you're like, okay, I've cleaned everything that is causing a harm. Now I can go forward. If you keep on harming yourself while you're trying to get better, you're not going to get too far. And then rest up is the final stage. It's the integration, and I call it the process of unhooking. Unhooking is broken into cycles. It's inspired by female cycle, by the way, because even men have cycles, but it's not talked about and not as felt because obviously there's not physical reaction to it. But just so you see, it's the cycles within which I've learned if you operate in them, it's incredible. Your energy, you don't have a burnout. You don't have any of those fluctuations and up and downs. It's really powerful.